Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. In this episode, I'm going to teach you my little secret. Don't tell anyone. We also will be selecting last week's winner of the Would You Dig It contest giveaway. And at the end of this video, I have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway for a $25 Amazon gift card. So guys, let's get started. Okay guys, see how deep of signal that is? I'm going to turn the earphones up on here. I'm going to put it right on here so you guys can actually hear it. You can only hear this if there's earphones on at the beach. I can't hear it, so I'm hoping you guys hear it really loud, nothing but grunts, right? Okay, that's what I listen for. And you guys are going, why the heck, Jim, would you care about iron grunts? Well, I do, because it's deep. I'm maxed out on the knocks on how deep it is, right? Still grunting. Let's take another scoop out. Still grunting. Take another scoop out. Got a little chirps now. I don't know if you guys heard that last chirp, but it sounded better. Out? No. So now I'm getting little chirps. That must still be really deep. So something is chirping along with a lot of iron in there. All right. And is that a penny? It's a dime. Okay, so looks like just a clad dime came out of that hole right there. And that's exactly what I was trying to show you for the tutorial, is how you can see the black mineralized sand. Now there's no grunts going on anymore. See that? Oh, that was my beach scoop, guys. See that? There's no more grunts. Okay? No more. So that's what was grunting, was the dime. And the reason I find way more targets than most in Huntington Beach and in most all other beaches is simply because I'm listening for that. I've always done that. I know how deep the targets are on this dry sand. Same goes out for the wet when it's just deep, you know, sand, right? Could be wet too. Same thing. You get a little grunt, take a scoop out. Sounds better, take another scoop. All right. I happen to know that really deep targets that stay really deep are really good here, even if they start off with a grunt. All right, guys. Here's another Tutorial Tuesday deep target. I'm hoping this is going to be a good target because I believe it to be one. But look, see how deep it is, and it cranks it to 11. I'm gonna go 90 degrees. I hear a 12, 13, and an 8 grunt. Let me, I'm gonna put the earphones on you guys. Hold on. This is why it's important to have the earphones. So that's what I listen for when I'm out here. Let's see if it's a actual good target. Okay. -8 to 13. Out. So grunts with a chirp. Now it sounds like a nickel. And I think I just saw a nickel right there. And there's a nickel. So guys, that is why Jim has better success than most, because he hears the grunts, all right, the negatives when it's windy outside. Okay, so without my sock on, all right, I'm gonna take the sock off here. All right, see how windy it is? I don't know how well the GoPro stops the air, but I put a sock on. All right, so could you imagine detecting without earphones? It's impossible. It's impossible to be a good detector on the beach and not use earphones. You can find a lot of garbage and a lot of nothing without earphones. Okay, and every once in a while a blind squirrel does find a nut. So, and that's what I'll call it. Anybody who's not using earphones on the beach is nothing but a blind squirrel. Okay guys, I think I got another deep signal right where my coil is. It's something deep. I'm not sure if it's going to be good, but let's just dig it out. Oh, that sounds better. I'm getting better chirps. See? You know, it does sound better to me. Wasn't too bad. 2 scoops. And I think we got a quarter. It was ringing up 28. Ah, a quarter. Man, clean quarter for being so deep. But that's just showing you, you know, anybody can lose a quarter in this stuff, and then goes down real quick. The heavy stuff goes down quick. And if you're not willing to go get the deep stuff, hold on. Now you see how that's not too deep? So you know that's not going to be a very good target. I am going to throw a scoop out because it behaves like a deep target. Now it doesn't sound very good. I'm still going to take a scoop out. And that is nothing but iron. So that's how Jim really does the deep stuff and how he has success. He goes for the deep targets. That means you have to dig a lot. You do get tired. So, do you dig deep signals? I dig every single one. If I see it deep, I always take out a scoop. It doesn't matter if it grunts or chirps. I have an ability to hear the tent stakes, usually. They can fool you like anything else, right? We get fooled all the time. But guys, if we don't dig at all, we just don't know, right? So, you know iron right away. So you think, if it's a deep signal, why don't you take it to a shallow signal where you know the Knox is not going to be masked by either iron in the sand or the type of minerals in your sand, right? Dig down 1 or 2 scoops. If it's still grunting away and you know it's iron at that point, fill in your hole and move on. That's what I do. But I dig a lot, right? So I dig a lot of garbage. I dig a lot of trash off the beach. But usually I'm rewarded with something good. Again, like you guys know, I dig 24 bottle caps, but I also play a game where I've never dug 100 bottle caps without finding a ring. And that's just a game, mental game I play. And it works. I mean, I'm barely at 24 bottle caps before I find a ring. Seriously. So in real busy summers, it's, you know, you guys know what I mean. Some of you local detectors really should know what I mean on that. You'd be surprised at how many bottle caps you find, and then all of a sudden, boom, there's a ring. So that's why I target bottle caps. But I also target, and that's my secret, is I target deep iron sounding signals. And I'll take 1, 2, or 3 scoops. If it's still deep, On my third scoop, I may take a fourth scoop just to see if it sounds any better. I don't like digging iron. I really don't. But I also don't like to miss targets. And I will tell you, I have found 14 karat gold deep, that when it came out of the hole rang up 15, 16, right? But it was negative numbers with the knocks, right? And it sounded awful. Same scenario sounded awful with the Sovereign, because I'm digging everything, right? I have it all metal mode, trying to go as deep as you possibly can. And if you hear any grunt, iron, anything, right, take a couple scoops out. It's not going to hurt you. And see what it does. Comment below if you've had success with this method. When you go out and you try, and let me know your success level. I know it works. This is how I hunt. This is one of my little secrets. I got many of them, guys, and I'll be happy to share them. So let's select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? So guys, I'm in Park 1, and I got a target right here. Let's go 90 degrees. Would you dig it? I know you're digging that. I know I'm digging that. Comment below on what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card. Let's take a look at it again. All right, let's dig this one up. It's a walking liberty. Okay guys, it's time to select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? Let me go to my TubeBuddy app. I'm going to select pick a winner. Comment must contain the words, and I'm going to put in silver. I will take silver $50, silver 50-cent piece, walking liberty. But I didn't see any walking liberties when I looked. I knew there was a lot of silver, so if I see silver ring or anything else, I'll even take silver coin. Guys, okay, so let's pick the winner. Right off the bat, that was perfect. William Gwynn. Yes, I would dig it. A silver $50. That was awesome. Okay, that was awesome. I was thinking I was going to have to go through silver ring after silver ring because that was a popular guess, guys. But William Gwynn, send me an email and I will send you out your $25 Amazon gift card. Congratulations, William. Send me an email and I will send you out your $25 Amazon gift card. Guys, don't get discouraged. I got another Would You Dig It contest giveaway coming up right now for a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select the winner in next Tutorial Tuesday. So let's check this one out. Alright guys, I have a Would You Dig It right here. Let me shut the earphones off. Let me take my earphones off. Alright, right here. I'm in Beach 1. And I'm at the beach. I don't know if you can see that, but it's Beach 1. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below on what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we'll select in next Tutorial Tuesday. Let's go 90 degrees. All right, let's dig this one up. Would you dig it? I dug it. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below on what you think it is, and you will have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card. And guys, don't forget about my hidden gemstone giveaway. In any video in the month of June that you see this gemstone, comment below with the timestamp, and you'll be entered into a drawing that I will select in the first week of July. Now, the first piece of gold, that's real gold, real carat gold that I pull out of the ground in the month of July is going to go to one of you lucky viewers. And all you have to do is comment on any one of my videos. And guys, each comment is an entry. So if you see multiple timestamps, make one comment for each timestamp to make multiple entry, just so you increase your own odds, right? If you're willing to take that time to do that stuff to win that gold, guys, you might as well take advantage of those odds. So each comment, basically, I'm cutting out as a piece of paper with a timestamp. I'm gonna put it in a hat, and in July, it's coming right on out. That's the easiest, most honest method I could possibly do, guys. So if you like my videos, please click like. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And please take a look at either one of these videos.